Well, howdy there, pluckers. Arthur Soulfingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for hopefully another interesting guitar lesson. This one is in response to a request I've had for a song called On Bended Knee by a band called The Heavy Horses. Okay, I'm in standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as The Heavy Horses. Okay, well worth a listen. Dig it out on YouTube. It's well worth a listen. Very nice sounding song, very pleasant song. So I'm going to go through the intro, the first couple of verses and a chorus for you, break it down and show you how I played it, and you've got the song sorted. It just repeats more of the same. Okay. This song in its original format is actually finger picked, most of it, okay, but I'm playing with a pick and strumming it, okay, because I don't do finger picking at the moment. I just don't have the time to explain it all. Okay, so singing as usual for reference only, so here we go. Heard the cavalry ride that day. Parents hid me and there I'd stay. Then those troops came one by one, men of honor, men of virtue, men of none. When they held her, I heard him cry. When they butchered him, I watched her die. Shed no tears, but felt that stain. Men would crumble, men would suffer, men would pay. For the war came, I was free. Then a darkness consumed me. Face of war is all I see. There's my love on bended knee. Another verse. Okay, the bit I put at the end there was the actual instrumental. There's an instrumental bit in it after the second verse, chorus, and then there's a bit of an instrumental before the third verse. Okay, so let's break it down for you. Right, so it's basically A minor, and then you take off the first finger. Sorry, and then hammer it back in again. Okay. And then so first time it's that, okay, then you start the second phrase is take your finger off, instead of hammering it up to the first fret, you put your pinky on the third fret of the B string, the second string, and then down to the first fret, okay, off, on, so it's so that's the intro. So I'll play that very slowly for you. Heard the cavalry that day. Okay, so the first line is A minor. Heard the cavalry, sorry. The F, cavalry, ride that, back to A minor. Right, so A minor, F, A minor. The F, cavalry, ride that day. and after each line it generally does a lot of this open second string hammering back into the first fret. Okay, so coming out of the intro, heard the cavalry ride that day, the parents G hit me there, I, back to the A minor again. A minor, then those F troops came on by, F, A minor again. Men with G, honour, men with F, virtue, men with none. And then we play one lot of intro, okay? Oh, sorry. And then we go into the second verse. Exactly the same to play as the first verse with different words. Okay? So da 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 da. There should notice around that day, men would crumble, men would suffer, men would pay. Then we go into the chorus. F. Before the war came, I was A minor 3. F. Then G. Darkness consumed A minor me. So that's F. Before the war came, I was A minor 3. F to G to A minor. Then the darkness consumed me. Minor, the face of G, war is all I, F, C. So it's A minor, and the face of G, war is all I, F, C. I find no D minor, hope on G, bended A minor, me. Okay, so let's just go through the chorus again. Coming out of the verse, men would crumble, men would suffer, men would pay. F, before the war came, A minor was 3. F, then a G, darkness consumed A minor, me. A minor, face of G, war is all I, F, C. I find no D minor, hope on G, bended A minor, me. Then it goes into the instrumental, which is just F, G, A minor. 4 times. G, A minor, F, G, A minor, F, G, A minor, intro. However you want to play it, you can mess around with that. Okay, and then it goes into another verse, another chorus, etc. Or another 2 verses, another chorus, sorry. Just like 2 verses chorus, 2 verses chorus. Okay, so there you have it. So let's go right from the beginning. I'll do the intro, the first 2 verses and the chorus again, slowly. Okay, so here we go. Let's do that again. Cavalry ride that day, the parents hid me there I'd stay. Then its troops came one by one, men of honour, men of virtue, men of none. And they held her I heard him cry. When they butchered him, I watched her die. Shed no tears without that day. We would crumble, we would suffer, and would pay. Before the war came, I was free. Then a darkness consumed me. The face of war is all I see. If I know hope, let it be. And so on. Okay, so there you have it. That's as best I can go on that one. Thanks very much for listening and watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.